Hindi exciting isipin ng travel insurance, pero kapag may nangyari sa trip mo, doon mo siya sobrang ma-appreciate. I highly recommend getting Travel Joy Insurance if you want extra protection sa bawat travel mo. I purchased mine through Klook for our 15-day Japan trip, and honestly, it was such a good decision. The booking process was quick, convenient, and easy to understand. Right after purchasing, I received my policy details agad, which gave me peace of mind even before our trip started. During our stay in Japan, we traveled across different cities, and knowing that we had travel insurance coverage made me feel more secure throughout the journey. Thankfully, wala namang emergencies or issues, but having that protection allowed me to enjoy the trip without unnecessary worries. Nagamit ko na rin ang Travel Joy sa previous trips ko like Taiwan, Korea, Hong Kong, and many more. For coverage, marami siyang inclusions, but I want to highlight trip cancellation, flight delay, foreign hospital admission assistance, medical expenses, and more. Travel Joy insurance through Klook is affordable, easy to arrange, and very convenient. Plus, I'm happy to share my exclusive discount code INS Kimbulan Klook for 15% off. You can use it up to 3 times per person. You can redeem the code until May 31, but make sure to use it right away because it will expire 5 days after redemption. Simple lang siya na add-on pero malaking peace of mind habang nag-i-explore ka abroad.